Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to sign up for TradingView on your smartphone. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are already connected to the internet, and download the TradingView app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, head over to the menu section. Here you can see the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. In this menu page, you can see the sign in option. Tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the login page. In order to create a new account, here you can see the sign up option at the bottom. Tap on it. In this page, you can sign up for a new account. TradingView offers multiple ways to sign up. You can use your Google account, Facebook account, Twitter, LinkedIn, Apple ID, or your email address to sign up for the new account. For now, I'll choose Google to create a new account. So tap on Google. You can select anyone you like. Select the account. And there you go, your account has been created in just few seconds. You can use your preferred method to sign up. So that's it. You've successfully signed up for TradingView on your smartphone. You can now start exploring the features and tools TradingView offers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.